Well, from healthcare to the tourism sector, where the third Uganda-Kenya coast tourism familiarization trip has come to a close this weekend, with Uganda's Consul General for Mombasa, Ambassador Paul Mukumbya, urging tourism stakeholders in East Africa to market the region to the world as one destination.
This year's trip attracted over 70 industry players from Kenya. And during the 7-day trip, the Kenyan team visited Bwindi Forest gorilla trekking as well as Kibale National Park for chimpanzee trekking.
There has been a lot of talk, especially at the East African community level, about promoting East Africa as a single tourist destination. But what we are doing is the practical side to what has been talked about in the program. Because now, for the conference we have next week, we already have a lot of interest beyond Uganda and Kenya. Remember, we started this as Uganda-Kenya coast. But now we are seeing the whole of Kenya coming on board. So very soon we shall call it Uganda and Kenya. And amongst those that are coming for the conference, we have Tanzanians, we have Burundians, we have Rwandans. So finally we shall have all of East Africa participating in this practical initiative that will lead us to selling East Africa as a single tourist destination.
I have experienced Uganda hospitality firsthand. It's so easy for me to recommend anybody because I have seen the places. I've seen the opportunities. Very important to sell what you already know. That is the essence of farm trips. And it's very, very good because you are recommending somebody to something that you already know, you already experience.
Another break still to come. The